So today we're going to show you how you can put PDFs on your Kindle Fire tablet. It's pretty simple. This works through the Kindle app on your Kindle Fire tablet. Just click on Kindle and they will be there. And I'll show you how to do that now. You will need a computer or some way of sending these files. I believe there's a few different options. We're going to use a computer for this and I'll show you how to do it. So let's move over to the computer. I apologize if the audio sounds a little different, but yeah, let's go to the computer. So now we're on the computer side of things. And what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for send to Kindle. Now you're going to have to be careful which one of these links you click on because of course I've typed this in. I'm in the UK and the first one's the American link, which is this one here. I want the Amazon UK link. So once I found that, I just simply click on this website. You will want to make sure that you are signed into your Amazon account that you're using. So of course you need the same Amazon account on your Kindle Fire as on the website that you're logged into. And you're going to hear see send to Kindle, send once, read anywhere. And it accepts a few different document types, as well as images, EPUB, PDF, Doc and DOCX for Word. So all you do is you click here, select files from device. I'm just going to click this PDF that I have in here. And once you've done that, all you want to click is send. Click this add to your library, click send. And now it's going to upload the document to Amazon wherever it goes. And it'll take some time. This all depends on your internet speed. I have found that these take a lot. The bigger the file, the longer it takes to show up on the Kindle. But this is why we're only using a small one for this. It doesn't take too long, and as you can see while I've been talking, that file has now gone up. And there are some other ways apparently that you can send. There's a Mac app, there's a Windows app, and all these different apps here. I just find it easier on the Chrome browser. But now let's go back to the Kindle and have a look at a few different file types I've sent over: a magazine, a comic book, a manga, and more of a traditional like PDF style book. We'll have a look how those look. So as you see now, we're back to our tablet and we had 3 PDFs before and now we have 4. So if we simply click on that, it's going to download. Like I said, this was a small PDF, so it's going to download pretty quick. And once it's downloaded, we'll be able to open it. So there it is, it's done. Simply click open and here it is. This is kind of what the books will look like depending on how the layout is. So this is more of a traditional style book, I'd say. And yeah, it responds pretty quick on this tablet. Of course, this depends on the type of tablet that you have and the age. I believe this is a 2021 Kindle Fire HD. But yeah, as you can see, that's that on there. If we go back, we can have a look at, this is a comic book. Now one thing I will show you is if you zoom in straight fast, it's going to take some time to like render it out if I zoom back out. Let me get a little bit closer to the camera. I don't know how it's going to show up, but it'll take a little bit of time to render out, and of course zoom in, zoom out, just normal pinch, things like any other device that you would use. That's how a comic book looks. It's quite responsive. Sometimes, as you can see, if we go fast, it takes time to load the image. And if we look at like a manga, for example, similar story again. This was quite a big file. This is like 200 meg. This one took the longest. Once again, if you zoom in, it does kind of take time to render out. I think that's the best example there, actually. Zoom all the way out, zoom all the way in, and yeah, you'll see it takes time to render and make that image clearer. Another one, this shows that it does depend on the size. So this is basically like a magazine, but it's 2 pages on one. As you can see, it's kind of like 1 page and another page stuck together. But that may benefit from reading it like this, and once again, you can zoom in and out on these. But yeah, there's a few different types of media that you might have on PDF. I hope you guys found this useful. It's pretty simple to do. But like I said, the bigger the file, the longer it might take to appear. That one that we just did was pretty much instant, but it was only 10 meg. This one that was like 200 took a few minutes once we'd uploaded it. But yeah, it's pretty good to do. Pretty easy to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.